So we're doing another wheel swap. I already started, took the screws out, 'cause this one was a model kit. Taking these off. And I'm going to put these on. But I have to grind this down a little bit for them to fit. So. It's just plastic, so it shouldn't take much. Try with this.
One word. Got it. Reeling in fish. Eating fish. Efficiency. Now we're up to 1.75% cash back on all purchases. Navy Federal Credit Union. Our members are the mission.
To the people who reach into a carton of warm, crispy, golden, perfectly salted McDonald's world-famous fries and return with just one. Who are you? And how do you do that?
This holiday, Verizon has the deal that gets better and better and better. Get iPhone 13 Pro on us.
Close. You do it just a little bit more.
Hey, and up to $1,000 when you switch. Because everyone deserves better.
This is Steve. He used to have gum problems. Now he uses TheraBreath Healthy Gut Oral Rim with clinically proven ingredients and his gum problems have vanished. TheraBreath. It's a better mouthwash at Walmart, Target, and other stores. Nachos. Better with Pepsi.
January 5th on Fox. Really strong month from Sean McVay. They're 3-0 so far in the month of December after they went through that rough stretch. 0-3 against Tennessee, San Francisco, and Green Bay. They bounce back. The numbers are much better. The running game is back on track. And a big reason why the running game is back on track is Sony Michel, who runs for 10 to the 40-yard line.
Perfect.
Smith. On the other side for the Minnesota Vikings, this has been a problem getting
Got that side done.
Obviously, COVID's been an issue for teams.
Now,
Dalvin Cook today.
the other side.
Mike Zimmer's team just 16
Front.
and 18.
It's got to go just as narrow. So.
An opportunity for Minnesota to turn that narrative around.
And you see this on tape. It's a 2-yard
Option type routes, and here you have an option route just against zone coverage, so just sit down, defenders, keep your quarterback at target, and Sean McVay said something about it. He said, whatever you think about this, he's more than that. So he's special, he's bigger than you think, he's twitchy than you think, he's smart than you think, he's a little bit more than everything quarterback is. That's what he said. So special.
Washington University, FCS.
Big Scott, that's exactly what it's not.
Another good run by Sonny Michel. Picks up 8 more yards. Moving into Washington territory. It was on the COVID IR, so Sonny Michel has picked up the slack the last 3+ games. This is an issue. Brian Allen, their excellent center, is down for the time being. Being tended to, and we'll step aside.
It's time for electric. Electric current in all. Power that goes. It feels like a bullet train. It works like a freight train. Fully electric.
Huh. Is that true? Geico's been saving folks money for 85 years?
Yeah, that's right.
So if Geico's 85, that makes you... You want to perform 84 years old. I mean, sea turtles live to be 150, so... You look young, or however old you are.
Geico, saving people money for 85 years.
Local restaurants have been hit hard by fees from delivery apps.
They take a huge chunk of our bottom line. All of that comes out of our pocket and goes to them.
So Domino's franchisees went to local restaurants and bought $100,000 of their gift cards we give out to our customers. That way they could support a mom and pop by ordering directly from them.
And no one got hit by delivery app fees.
I can't believe one restaurant is buying another restaurant's gift certificates to give out, but it sure is wonderful.
So if you're not getting Domino's, skip the delivery apps and order directly from a local restaurant.
Sunday, January 9th. First say hello,
I have never felt sexier.
then goodbye.
I really do think you'd be the first to go in.
Okay, so
Common Cat is back, followed by the series premiere of Pivoting.
Our friend just
some tires are hitting up here, so I'm gonna have to.
Cat to this guy. All new comedy, Sunday, January 9th on Fox.
Saturday is a stacked night of heavyweight fights as Luis King Kong Ortiz takes on Prince Charles Martin. Live in only $39.99. Find it now on the Fox Sports app and watch on any screen you want.
Today's game is sponsored by Domino's, great deal of pizza, French twist, chicken desserts, and more. And by Geico. Save even more when you bundle home and car insurance.
So one guy goes down up front, Brian Allen, and 3 different guys have been in position. So, as you mentioned, left guard Jackson comes in left tackle, and then Sheldon Stewart and left guard moves to center. So what do? You run away from him, right? You go to the right side. You run to Corbett, you run to Havenstein over there. Havenstein.
Let's see what we did.
Now watch as you get in there. Now, first off, the push right here is just amazing. Harrison Smith making the tackle. When you start to blitz, you get a little bit out of that gap, a little bit out of your area, as Xavier Woods did, and that creates a big run lane. So understanding leverage, understanding where you want to maintain your outside arm free so you can get back in on those tackles.
There's Gerald with a season high for a first half, 65 on the ground already. There's Darrell Henderson into the game getting the fake. Stafford has Higby as a release. He stumbles ahead for a few yards in front of Patrick Peterson. Pick up of 4.
Stafford on that boot keep out the back door looking for a deep crosser. Minnesota takes it away and ends up just throwing the check down to Higby. But really nice job because he had him right off the bat, and that's your number one read, but he's waiting for something deeper down the field to develop. Once it doesn't, he just goes ahead and gets that first down and check down. On first down, get that 6 yard or 4 yards on that check down. Excuse me.
Number 17. The puck. And shot down by Mackenzie Alexander at the 14-yard line. That'll be a pickup of 3. Third down coming up. Mackenzie Alexander, he's been key at the nickel spot.
Yeah, watching just the shadow across the formation.
That's enough.
You've got to negotiate all that track. You've got to give up that.
Yeah, that should do it. Alright, now I'm just gonna try to put these on. Probably gonna super glue these together because they aren't sticking together very well. They just pop right out. So, and then
Looking for a one-hand grab, and it's incomplete. Cameron Dantzler in coverage against OBJ. 4th down.
Maintains inside leverage, does a really good job forcing OBJ to the sideline and then get his head around. Oh, you know, OBJ, he puts on a show pregame. That guy's making those catches all over the field. Look at Stafford says, I saw you make that 8 times in pregame warm-ups.
Really made a spectacular grab instead. A 32-yard try from Matt Gay. We had a season-long 55-yarder last week against Seattle. This from 32 to make it 10-0 in favor of the Rams. Mike Zimmer's defense.
rolls. Alright, we'll take it back apart. And like I said, I'm gonna super glue these.
Who has live TV? Hulu has live sports. It also has over 75 live channels.
Flip like cable, stream like Hulu.
When you walk in the door with the new triple bacon pizza from Papa John's, oh, that smell of bacony goodness has everyone showing up. I mean everyone. It's the season of bacon at Papa John's.
This year has been extremely challenging for me. I am broken. And I am healing.
I'm having anxiety. Obviously it's normal with everything that's going on right now.
I think I might take a break for a while.
You can get through it, and if you can get through it, there's a greater reward on the other side.
Just like anybody else, I'm just trying to do my little part to try and save my community.
Incredible scenes of the day the fans came back.
Welcome back to the theater.
You guys, it's been so long.
We just have to band together as a community and give people's lives back.
Even as we grieved, we grew, that even as we hurt, we hoped, that even as we tired, we tried, that we'll forever be tied together, victorious.
Alright, so we're going to let those dry for a few minutes and then we'll put that back together. I also got this this one with no wheels. I'm not sure what I'm going to put on those yet, that one yet. We'll get to that in a little while. Alright, well, let's see if these are dry yet.
And when you start with care, you get a different kind of bag.
Dang it, not quite yet.
An official retail bag from NFL.
Alright, so they're not quite dry yet, so we'll just leave them sit here for a little bit longer. I don't want to put them in yet if those are still wet, because that drip right there is still wet, because it'll end up sticking to the base, and we don't want that. So we'll get back. Alright, I think they're dry. I don't feel anything on my fingers anyways. Oh, maybe they're not dry. Okay, back to pause. Okay, I think these are dry now, so we'll just put it together and see how it looks. Alright, so there's a little bit of buildup of the glue I'm going to have to scrape off of here before we put it on.
To the people who reach into a cup of warm, crispy, golden, perfectly salted McDonald's world famous fries, return with just one.
This is Antonelli's Shake Shop, and we're the Antonellis.
We chose our new Smart Cash Plus card from Capital One because we earn unlimited 2% cash back on every purchase.
And with no preset spending limit, our purchasing power adapts to our business needs. What's in your wallet?
This flag isn't backwards. It's facing this way because it's moving forward. Just like the men and women who wear their uniforms. And the country it represents. They're all only meant to move in one direction.
What did I do?
On the flanks of the all-new Grand Wagoneer. Moving boldly and unstoppably forward.
Alright, so maybe I gotta make these a little bit more narrow. But that one fits. Okay, so it's the back one. No, that's good. Oh, maybe not. Oh, tires are hitting in the front here.
Is on pace for the single season NFL record, but still 2.5 games to play. Could have, with a couple of big games, the reception record, which sits at 149 2 years ago for Michael Thomas. Stafford.
You can see in the back here, I got to scrape that down just a hair.
Driving that offensive lineman back into the lap of the quarterback so that you can get that hand up and create a tip ball there. Beautifully done by Dalvin Tomlinson.
Okay, so we're close.
The Bears lead the first half. This tip is the third pick of the game.
Touchdown Vikings.
And just follow those blocks. Very nice patience by Madison.
Probably should have put axles in here, but I guess we're okay. Maybe someday I will.
Defense number 33. Minnesota is elected for a 5-yard penalty on the kickoff. Timeout.
First assessed penalty of the day. Big Dalvin Tomlinson, 6'3", 325, big paw in the air. Barr's second pick, and the first touchdown of the day for the Vikings belongs to Madison.
Uh-oh. My hand really stuck on. Well, so I have to take it off again. They're sticking against something in here. The problem with doing wheel swaps is trying to fit them in where they're not originally from.
Crispy chicken, marinara sauce, and melty mozzarella. Because of him. For Pete's sake, the Italian original chicken sandwich is back in the 2 for 6. Pete's way better.
Boom! I was able to boost my credit score 21 points using Experian Boost.
I boosted my credit score with Experian Boost, and it was free.
Experian Boost is
helping here.
How can it help you? Boost your credit scores instantly. Free. Download the Experian app now.
Welcome to Allstate, where we have all new lower auto rates. And savings like that will make everyone feel like an MVP. Now we get new lower auto rates with Allstate. Because bed protection costs a whole lot less. Allstate. Click or call for a lower auto rate today.
What I did, just save my
Okay.
son.
We're hitting on these little notches here. So let's just get rid of those.
Out of the 15 games for Minnesota, Barr has only started 9 of them. He's had knee issues, he's had hamstring issues, he's on the COVID list. When he plays, this defense is just better. 2 interceptions today after he had 3 in the first 95 games of his career. We've been there for 3 of them this season. Matthew Stafford with a season high 3 interceptions, 2 have come on his last 3 throws.
There he is. I mean, this is one of those you're almost trying to throw away. There's Anthony Barr off the outside. He's got those ball skills. And then the deep ball over the top. Woods getting that ball and then back to the outside here. Tip ball. There he is, Johnny. Let's buy. That's a suggestion. Don't throw it to the side Anthony Barr's on. Remember, he actual puts defense in a crunch, in a bind, because everything to you is over. The play I mean, that is, you can't draw it up any better. It's perfectly done from a coaching staff standpoint.
There we go.
Just didn't execute on the throw.
Here's D.D. Westbrook back to return. It'll be the second Johnny Hecker punt of the day. He only averages 3 punts per game. That's how good the Rams' offense has been on average. But today, the Viking defense stymied them so far. Third catch, Westbrook. Vikings ball, 9:18 to play in the third. A lot of history between the Rams and the Vikings all time. A good game today in Minneapolis.
The Google Pixel 6 for all the Bucks fans, Serbian fans who became Nuggets fans, Heat fans who want to get rid of photobomb fans, Wojbomb fans, Top Shot fans.
Okay, I think I got it now.
Are you taking a photo of us? Okay. For that once-in-a-lifetime shot, and fans seeing it up close for the first time. There are so many ways to love the NBA, and the Pixel 6 is built.
Didn't really need to do all that because, you know, it doesn't really need to roll, but it's just better if it does. I wanted the wheels to be kind of tucked into the fenders.
Even after you sanitize, every touch can leave new bacteria behind. Microban
There we
24
go.
keeps killing 99.9% of bacteria touch after touch for up to 24 hours. Use sanitizer 4 to 5 doctors will use in their own homes. Microban 24.
There we go, it's all done.
Ramsey just going to mirror.
It does look kind of nice when it rolls.
Wide open. Got it. Just a little late. A little behind. Jefferson's got to slow down, which allows, and that's one of the things you love about Jalen Ramsey, just the unrelenting effort. I mean, even when he's beat, he's not beat because he's never going to give up on play.
Well, that's going to do it for today. Thanks for watching Big Red 440. Make sure you subscribe and click the like button, and we'll see you next time.